Take them, Whitey. Oh my gosh. They caught us with our pants down.
Load your gun and shoot the thing.
All right. Woo-wee.
You don't see one?
Yeah, we won't see him for an hour now. Load up.
Cover up, load up.
Gosh almighty.
Calvin be going nuts. Load up, cover up.
They're spinning again right here out front. Oh my gosh, White.
We got those good.
Two brown ducks. Whew. All right, we made it. We're rocking and rolling. All right, guys, we are out here in just the nick of time. Just got set up. I'll show you all the setup. We'll probably have some more come in on me here. We got the hide of a lifetime today. Look at this. Farmer left a patch of
he was drinking coconut when he was combining.
a patch of peas in here for us. We snuck our blinds in there. Good south wind, about 8 miles per hour. Better than nothing, I guess. Out here in a pea field, afternoon hunt on some ducks. We've already gotten buzzed by them, but try to get this dealt with. We got a single right behind us here, but same setup as the last video. If y'all haven't watched that one, be sure to watch that one. We crushed some greenheads, straight up greenheads, but 5 dozen. Got the W formation, a couple family packs out front, 2 mojos. Got the decoys basically ran up all the way to the blinds since our hide is so good, so we got to get some close shots. Today we just had some land at about 12 yards, so that's it. Be sure to check out ducksbucks.com. I'll pop up an image of my brand new calls that we designed. Oh, they have my logo on it. They have Ducks logo, super juicy honker call, and a nice J-frame single reed duck call. Both super easy to blow. Beginners can get them and master them. Also really good for advanced guys that can make these calls sound way better than I can, but they are awesome. You guys ought to check them out at ducksbucks.com. You can use my code COLE10 to save a little bit of money. They are in ivory, a sexy ivory color, kind of like this one right here. I absolutely love it, but let's get these ducks down, get them in the hole. Let's get to hunting. Oh my gosh. We just shooting today or what?
Yeah, let's kill. I mean, if we're gonna do it good, let them do it good. We'll get a video. These things, you know how these things worked the other day. Look at this.
You want to murder them?
I guess you don't want to shoot pintails.
Yeah, they're all pennies.
I would have murdered them.
Yeah. They did it nasty though.
They really did it nasty.
Bunch of snows.
These are the friendly ducks. Their IQs are higher. Good ducks, the geese that are coming here. What are they going to? There's nothing over there, and it's a pasture. You just want to play no one's home.
Oh, they're lessers.
They are lessers.
I don't see them. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. We're going to shoot some dark geese.
Oh gosh. Take them, Whitey. Take them, Whitey. Two for one. Nice.
7 down!
7 down! Reload.
Hold on, let's get the goose whistles out so we can come back.
Oh my gosh. Take them, White. 2, 3, 4, 11 down.
11 and 1.
Oh my. Oh my. Got one crippled.
We might get them back again.
Holy. Wow.
2 ducks coming right in here.
2 ducks?
Throw it off your boot bag.
Land with that crippled. You want to shoot him?
He goes for a kill.
Couldn't get on him.
You know what the bad
Oh.
thing is? Now we got 12 plus 1 down. That's bad
Oh
numbers.
my, bad number. Bad odd number. 12,
Okay.
12 plus 1 out of 1 clip here, guys. Yo, hit that thumbs up button. Tell them right now, Whitey. Unbelievable. Holy smokes. Kill Tony. Holy moly. That might be the most epic, let's see, 2.5 minutes. Most epic 2-minute clip this season. That is bad to the bone. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Holy little lesser Canadas. Couple mallards to start off the afternoon. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I guess we're set up in the right spot. By the way, guys, this is this is the X. Clearly, this is the X. Little Canadas. Look at these bad boys. Those are some bad dudes right there. Oh, well, we're gonna get all this picked up. 13 down, baby. See y'all on the next vlog.
Oh my God, ducks! Over top of us! They're loving it! Oh my! They're eating it up. Oh gosh, almost busted. They were in the decoy.
Oh, dude.
You gotta shoot. I got shells.
Take them.
Greenhead. That's fine.
Sorry.
You're good. You're good. They went that
What's
way.
this out front?
Geese out front.
Holy smokes, Whitey.
You're fine. I didn't have to shoot. I only had 2 shells in. I was gonna shoot the one right above your head. I was like,
Yeah.
I'm gonna ring you back.
A beautiful greenhead. Holy moly. Look at that. Just something special about him, guys. No curls. No curls on this bad boy. Wow, I absolutely love mallards. Oh, 15 birds in about 3 minutes. Not much more you can ask for there. Holy cow. What a rush. That got my adrenaline pumping.
Man.
I know it was small flocks, but dang. Look, oh my gosh. My favorite bird, folks.
Squeaks.
Holy.
No calling.
No calling, came right in.
5 dozen skinnies, 8 the whole.
5 dozen little decoys. And I'd say they ate it up pretty freaking good. Wow. Some good drakes in there.
Weary.
They are weary. Here we go. Damn.
Got them mojo, huh?
Take him, Whitey.
Oh, Tyler, shoot better.
Oh, I got two pretty drakes.
I killed a pretty. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, there you go. Triple.
Oh, that's only a double.
Oh, only a double.
I shot at her twice.
She's hurting. She's hurting real bad.
I hope we didn't shoot the same one.
No, I don't think so. You got one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got two for sure, maybe.
I keep going left.
Man.
Your side.
And the little pennies are stubborn, but
You called it sooner so I could
I did call it sooner for you there.
I don't like. I can't believe that duck didn't go down.
Is it still flying?
Dang. She did the wiggly wiggly.
The wiggly wiggly? Holy Santa Claus. If y'all don't know that reference, it's from Step Brothers, I believe. I got me two pintail drakes. Oh, three actually. This was a drake too. All right, I'm about to show y'all. I got three drakes. You got two drakes? Oh, this one looks good. Look at that bad boy. All right, guys, this is what this. Oh, let me turn this way. Look at that. Two drakes, 100%.
Here.
One's mature, one's not. Look at that. Three different levels of drake pennies there. Wow, that's sweet.
Yeah.
Awesome. Man, this is freaking great. I'm having fun. I'm having too much fun. That is the prettiest pintail of the year so far. Hands down.
Their feet are still wet.
Still no pin on the back, but oh, beautiful. In Canada, you can shoot 8 pintails. Hen or drake. Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. I can shoot one more duck, guys. Oh, I'm having fun out here. Wow. Wow, you gonna move that to the left a little bit? There you go. Move that other one.
I'm gonna put it right in my lap.
Move that other one too. You sure?
Yeah, that works fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right.
That's it.
All right. Okay. We're getting, as Calvin would say, getting. We're dang getting. These good hides are magical. They make a world of difference. Y'all get heading, baby. The hide is the most important. No doubt.
Hashtag.
Good scout, good hide. You in them, baby.
Right.
Oh yeah, I see. Oh, that sounds good, White. Here they come.
Cut him, Cole.
Trip them.
Kill him. Cut him, Cole.
Trip them.
Kill him. Nice.
That was sweet. Man. Dude, that little double cluck you did, they turned on it hard.
Oh, thank you, Colt Roth, for tuning my goose whistle.
Oh, Colt Roth with the tune up.
The tune.
Oh,
baby.
that was silky smooth, White. Wait a minute, right? Look at these bad boys. You want to grab them? Quick. Grab, quick snag. 3 more down. Ooh, dome shot. Nice double. Only 2 left for a limit. Here they come.
Here they coming.
Wow.
That was awesome.
This has turned out to be an awesome day.
Pumping. There we go. Got him across the hill.
Get that one. Boom! Smoked
Yay,
him.
I got a hawker for the first time in a month.
It's been Whitey's favorite bird. He got him one.
Yeah,
That's a big daddy there.
We got an audience on the road watching us. Just
Do we? Oh yeah. Just clapping honk daddies. Wow. Sweet. Oh, dude.
Oh shit.
Oh, dude, that's a freaking magnum.
Yeah,
Holy
they're on
cow.
the right. He's huge.
That's a mega.
We got like 6 left from them.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
He's a big one.
He's a big boy.
Honkers.
Oh, gosh.
They are loving. We got him now.
I didn't want to shoot 2 of them, gosh dang it. Oh, dude, I almost let the whole flock land. Oh, we all got a big Tony. Holy moly. I almost just let them work, dude. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. Wow. Big Tony down. Big tones. Big Tony's down. Oh, we've brought in quite the audience out here, guys. A lot of scouters. There's about we got probably 3 binoculars staring at us right now, enjoying a great show going on out here. Got the lessers, couple pennies, couple mallards, and a big Tony. Oh my gosh. That's what 8-shot 20 gauge shots pulverizers will do to a big old 12-pound Canada goose.
You're alright.
Oh, damn it. You had me going. I was on my roll. Holy moly. Yeah, a lot of you have been commenting, why don't you got a dog? You need a dog. I've waited for the right time of my life to get a dog, guys. I haven't wanted one, travel too much, move too much. Haven't wanted to deal with one and not have the time to get the proper training for the dog. You know what I mean? I see way too many dogs these days breaking out of their kennels, almost getting shot. Terrible basic training, sitting, laying down, staying in their blinds, staying in their kennels, yapping. So I've got a sweet girl, Bella, at the trainer right now. I'll probably pick her up in February. And we're gonna have a bunch of dog training videos throughout the summer, getting her ready for her first season next year, 2025. I'm super freaking pumped. I'm gonna be that weird dog guy that talks to his dog like a human, most likely. So
you know, I heard
be prepared.
You want to hear a funny one I seen on YouTube or TikTok today?
What's that?
Frickin' right away I seen the reel. Dog breaks out of the blind on a single honker, laying in the decoys. Probably 10 yards out of the blind. Gets shot. Gotta go instantly to the comments just to see if he gets roasted. You know what the guy returns with a reply for his dog breaking? Oh, don't worry, it's got earplugs in.
Oh my gosh.
Really?
Oh my gosh.
It's got earplugs in. So it's allowed to break?
Gosh. Don't just get a dog to get a dog, guys. Seriously. Wait till it's the right time of your life to be able to get one. You know what I mean? Get its basic training, whatever else you might want, and have a dog that'll lay in the blind until you say back or Bella, and let it be a patient, calm dog that's super driven, that'll go get the birds, bring them back to you without yelling at it. You hear it in every dang video. Here, here. That's what I've been avoiding. So I want a patient dog that's loving at home, killer in the field, and that's what we're gonna get, guys. That's
bites the old lady.
bites the old lady. Well, I guess that's all the action we're gonna get tonight, folks. That's crazy, man. I can't believe they just shut off. They shut off on us. We made it back to the house. I guess the duck gods, goose gods didn't want to send us any more gosh dang birds. That was all we got for the afternoon hunt. Pretty epic, I must say. 11 birds, 2 guys out of 1 flock of geese. In the same clip, shot 2 or 4 ducks, so 12 to 16 birds in 1 clip on the GoPro. Pretty freaking epic. We had one heck of a time. We were just giggling ear to ear, baby. We were just giggling ear to ear. But we're gonna cook a couple of ribeyes. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. It means a lot to me that you guys are enjoying these, learning things, having fun. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I try to do the best I can explaining the setup and what we're doing in the field and why. But sometimes we get in a rush and I just don't mention everything that's happening or going on. So y'all just drop a comment below if y'all have any questions. Stay prepared for October 17th. Duck and goose calls. If you're needing one, wanting one, they're going to be probably a limited run for the first batch. So once they're sold out, it might be a couple weeks until the next batch is ready. So get them while the getting's hot. We're just doing 1 color, ivory, for the first batch. We might change it up for the second one. I don't know yet, but you guys are gonna love them. Hope you buy one, and I hope you love it like I do, like I have been. They will be awesome. So ducksbucks.com. Anything else is linked down in the description below with a discount code. We're gonna get these ribeyes going, get some dinner cooked, get the birds in the freezer, and we'll catch you guys on the next hunt.